Calling attention, Sri Sankalpa Munkar.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of Goa and also the tourists visiting our state due to stray dog menace and increasing number of stray dogs attack in recent time. The increasing population of stray dogs has become a serious concern as we see pack of dogs all around in public places, including markets, hospitals, streets, beaches, etc. Step government intend to take in this matter. Speaker, sir.
Minister.
Speaker, sir, government has formulated the Goa Small Animal Rescue Management Scheme 2014, by which grant in aid is provided to facilitate local bodies, municipalities, panchayat to carry out sterilization and vaccination to stray dogs. Though animal welfare organization and NGOs, it is a mandate of the local bodies to implement animal birth control program. As per Animal Birth Control Rules Dogs 2001, the Animal Birth Control Rules 2023 framed under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960. The department has the Goa Small Animal Rescue Management Scheme 2014 amended for sterilization of stray dogs. As per Animal Birth Control Dogs Rules 2001 and Animal Birth Control Rules 2023, the management of stray dogs and implementation of animal birth control is responsibility of the local bodies. As per the above scheme, the local bodies have signed MOU with the animal welfare organization and NGOs to sterilize of stray dogs, of which grant in aid is provided by the department. So far, only 30 village panchayat and 7 municipalities have signed MOU with the NGOs. Out of 191 panchayat, 126 panchayat is in the state, and out of 13 municipalities, out of 6 municipalities are yet to sign MOU with AWO. Being aware of dogs' bites and bitches, the collector of South Goa had conducted meeting of all the stakeholders of Salset Taluka in the month of June 2024. They have proposed to have a shelter for injured dogs. As the injury provoked the dogs for attack, the main hassle is case of stray dogs is, as per prevailing rules, the dogs cannot be relocated from one area to other. Hence, achieving optimum sterilization is the stray dog is the only option left to control the dog population. Hence, the department, along with the Mission Rabies, is conducting training program in educational institutions, village panchayat, clubs throughout the state to explain the behavior and psychology of the dogs. This will help the general public to understand the behavior of the dogs. The aggression in dogs is sometimes seen due to hunger. Hence, the department has released the policy for street and pet dogs given in the form of guidelines. Hence, the dogs feeders can be designated to take care of feeding the stray dogs as per the guidelines of the rules. The Department of Tourism, along with local bodies, can take joint effort to feed the dogs on the beaches as per the guideline.
Speaker, sir. Sir. Circulate करचो. Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir.
We don't come to know.
Speaker, sir.
नहीं, reply circulate करता वाचून दाखव.
Speaker.
पहिली करपाक जाय.
स्पीकर सर हे पहिले करूं जाय न्हू
पहिले करपा जाय.
करेक्शन हा जाल्यार पयलीं करूं जाय. Why is not circulated?
We don't come to know.
How do we what is he?
Speaker, sir.
कोण उलयता?
आयज हांव उलयतां सर.
तोपर्यंत दितले.
स्पीकर सर, आयज आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आमचो मिनिस्टर बाब फॉर एनिमल हजबंड्री बरे भाशेन काम करता आनी तेणें आमकां सगळें एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलां. बट फॅक्ट जे आसा आमी पळयता की रिसंटली आमी खुबशी अशी केसीस आयकलेली आसा जे स्ट्रे डॉग्स आसा हेंच्यांनी एटॅक केल्लेले आसा आनी हे चडान चड आसा ते आमच्या बिचांचेर जावपाक लागलेले आसा. कित्याक हालींच आमी पळयला एक यंग गर्ल फ्रॉम लोतलीम वॉज बीन अटॅक एट बानावलीम बीच. आयज आमचो टुरिझम मिनिस्टर हांगा आसा तेका हांव कितें तेणेनूच स्टेटमेंट केलेलो आसा टुरिझम मिनिस्टरान कितें बाबा जे सगळे बिचांचेर जे अटॅक जावपाक लागलेले आसा आयज इंटरनॅशनल टुरिस्ट येता. फाटल्या दिसांनी रशियन टुरिस्टाचेर अटॅक जाल्लो आसा एट बानालीम बीच. मागीर आमचो बॉलिवूड एक्टर रिया हेजेरूय अटॅक जाल्लो आसा बाय स्ट्रीट डॉग एट कोलवा बीच. इवन जे आमचे डिस्ट्रिक्टाचे लायफ गार्ड आसा जे टुरिझम मिनिस्टराक सांगपाक तेंचेरूय अटॅक जाल्लो आसा एट नॉर्थ गोवा एट कलंगूट एंड मांद्रेम. हालींच आमी पळयलेलें आसा जे तेंचें पॉप्युलेशन वाडत आसा स्ट्रे डॉगाचें आनी हेज्या लागून कन्सर्न आसा. फाटल्या गेल्या वर्सा आमच्या वास्को म्हामोळ्यान एका धाकट्याशा चेडवाचेर कितलेशे कुत्र्यांनी अटॅक केल्लो तेजो व्हडलो. आनी मेन म्हणटा तें म्हाज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन मुर्मागोवा जे सड्या बागाचेर जी गार्बेज डंप आसा हे डंपाक लागून जर स्ट्रे डॉगाचें जें पॉप्युलेशन वाडलेलें आसा पळय थंयसर तुमी 100 आनी वांगडाच 100 स्ट्रे डॉग अटॅक करपाक लागून आमच्या लोकांचेर येत आसता. लोक त्या वाटेनसून वयपाक भिवपाक लागलेले आसा. MPT कॉलनीन आतां सगळी खाली जाल्ल्या कॉलनी कडल्यान थंयसर स्ट्रे डॉगाचें पॉप्युलेशन खूब वाडलेलें आसा. जशें आमचे मंत्री बाबान सांगलेलें आसा लोकल बॉडीचे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आसा. हांव मागता आमचे मुर्मगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिला कडेन कितें हेजेर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवचें आनी आमचो टुरिझम मिनिस्टरूय हेजेर तितलोच तेंच्यांनी लक्ष घालपाची गरज आसा कित्याक ह्या बिचाचेर खुबशे इन्सिडंट जावपाक लागले.